Welcome back to the Car Collective, where we explore everything from classic gems to futuristic marvels. Today we have something truly special to discuss: the 2025 Ford F-100 vintage pickup. A nod to one of the most iconic vehicles in Ford's history, this modern take on the classic F-100 is nothing short of extraordinary. For those of you familiar with Ford's legacy, the F-100 was a cornerstone of the brand's lineup, introduced in 1953 and running through several decades as a beloved workhorse and family vehicle. But what makes the 2025 F-100 truly exciting is how it blends that classic appeal with cutting-edge technology and sustainability. This isn't just a throwback, it's a glimpse into the future of what pickup trucks can be. On the outside, the 2025 F-100 embraces its retro styling while adding sleek modern touches. The signature front grille with its bold Ford emblem instantly takes you back to the original F-100, but with updated LED headlights that give it a fresh, aggressive look. The body features clean, smooth lines, and the iconic rounded fenders are still present, paying homage to the classic design that made the F-100 stand out in its era. Ford has also gone the extra mile to enhance the utility of this vehicle. The bed of the 2025 F-100 is designed for maximum versatility, whether you're hauling tools for work, a boat for the weekend, or just some weekend gear. Plus, with the addition of innovative features, like a built-in power inverter, you can power tools or devices directly from the truck. Whether you're on a job site or out camping, the F-100's utility is second to none. Under the hood, the 2025 F-100 offers a choice between a fully electric powertrain and a hybrid option, giving drivers a chance to experience the power and torque Ford is known for, while keeping the environment in mind. The electric model boasts an impressive range, making it perfect for long drives or heavy-duty tasks, while the hybrid option gives you the flexibility of an internal combustion engine for those longer trips. Ford's engineering team has worked tirelessly to ensure that the performance doesn't fall short of expectations. Whether it's towing a trailer or navigating rough terrain, the F-100 can handle it all with ease. Step inside and you're immediately greeted with a blend of vintage charm and modern tech. The dashboard has a throwback design with analog-style dials but integrated with a fully digital display. The cabin is spacious, comfortable, and packed with tech features. The latest infotainment system, with Ford's Sync 4, wireless connectivity, and premium audio, ensures that your drives are as enjoyable as they are functional. Of course, Ford has also included safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system to make sure every journey is as safe as possible. With the 2025 Ford F-100 vintage pickup, Ford has successfully created a modern interpretation of a classic. It's a celebration of the brand's heritage while embracing the future of automotive technology. Whether you're a collector, a fan of vintage trucks, or someone looking for a tough, stylish vehicle for daily use, the F-100 offers something for everyone. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Ford F-100. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Car Collective for more content on the latest and greatest cars. See you in the next one.